Hey, this is Kenny down at Horne Auto Center, the Chevy store that saves you more, off the Deuce Clubs in Cholo. Here at Horne Auto Center, we strive for 100% customer satisfaction. Our main goal is to make sure our clients have the best experience possible. When someone comes into the service department with an issue, the first thing we do is a walk around of the vehicle to make sure nothing's out of the ordinary. If I see that you need wipers, I'll recommend them to you. Also, due to your mileage and maintenance history with us, we will recommend service maintenance by prioritizing what needs to be repaired or serviced first. Safety is our #1 policy for you and your family. For example, if our technician says that you have 10% brake pad life left, I will recommend brakes before you need a new coolant flush. Our vision statement is always to understand the importance and continued comprehensive services in an integrated, coordinated system. We are and will continue to be the leader of vehicle services because of our commitment to quality, value-conscious, state-of-the-art service and facilities. And always, we believe in exceeding the expectations of your quest. Therefore, I will ensure you have the best service experience possible here at Horne Auto Center. Thanks for watching. This is Kenny, Service Advisor down at Horne Auto Center, the Chevy store that saves you more. If you have any questions, give me a call, such as if an engine light comes on or if you have any brake noise, or schedule online at horneauto.com. Thank you for watching.